Well, hello. Want to finish up factoring today, and then tomorrow we're going to go on to radicals. Woohoo, that's pretty radical. So what I would like you to do is just do these top two right now. That's what we did yesterday. So there's two types of four-term polynomials. Yesterday I call it the 3 by 1. So you group the first three, factor them, then see if you can go any further. Then stop. Don't go on to these. That's what we're going to learn today. Okay. So if you factor this, it'd be x minus 3, x minus 3. So this would be x minus 3 squared minus y squared. So you got the difference of squares, so that'd be x minus 3 plus y, x minus 3 minus y. And this one. So if you factor, it'd be x plus 6x plus 6 minus y to the fourth. So it's x plus 6 minus y to the fourth. Hey. So difference is squares. Oh, I forgot the square. So even power square. So it'd be x plus 6 plus y squared, x plus 6 minus, oops, boy, I'm messing up. It's too early in the morning. Now, all you have to do is divide the power by 2 to find the square. Okay, the last terms, here we go. Now, I don't have any minus squares here. No minus squares. It's okay to have a minus sign, but it needs to be a minus square sign. So what we're going to do is what I call is a 2 by 2. So I'm going to group the terms in groups of 2 and factor out the GCF. So I'm going to factor out the x cubed, and that'd be x plus 1 left, because x cubed times x is x to the fourth. X cubed times 1 is x cubed. Then I'm going to factor out the 5. Oh, wait a minute. I just thought you might like to look at my great nephew again. Ooh, nephew freeze, nephew freeze. Okay, go. Now notice I have two groupings here, and I have a common term, in this case x plus 1. So I'm going to factor it out. Now in the test Thursday, I'll have one of these, and I'll have one of these. So I'm not looking to have most of it be that. And then, like I said, we're going on to radicals tomorrow. So here, try it again. I don't see any minus squares, so I'm going to try 2 by 2. So factor out x to the 6. This would be x plus 1. Factor out 3. This would be x plus 1. So this would be x plus 1 times x to the 6 plus 3. Try one on your own. Go ahead. There it is. There's one right there. Try it. Zippy, zappy. So factor out x to the 8th. So that'd be x plus 3. Factor out the 6. That'd be x plus 3. So that would be x plus 3. It's common to both. Factor that out. It'd be x to the 8th plus 6. Ooh, did you get it? Try one more and then I'm done with factoring. I am done. One more time, I am done. So let's say we have x to the 6th plus 5x to the 5th plus 20 x plus 100. So go ahead. I'm not stopping you. Okay, good. So I don't see any minus squares, so I'm not going to do 3 by 1. So factor this out. This would be x to the 5th, x plus 5. Factor this out. It's 20 times x plus 5. So therefore, it's x plus 5 times x to the 5th plus 20. Yay! So short lesson, not much to it. We already did the first groupings. So I'm going to make a second video where you just practice solving. Then I'll give you your homework. Bye.